Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in fintech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use Afterpay's single-use card in 2025. If you're tired of traditional credit cards and want a secure, flexible way to shop online, Afterpay's single-use card is a game changer. It's designed for one-time purchases, helping you split payments without the hassle, and with 2025 updates, it's even more user-friendly. First things first, let's get you set up. Start by downloading the Afterpay app or visiting their website. Create an account if you haven't already, it's quick and secure. You'll need to verify your identity with basic info like your email, phone, and bank details. Once you're in, navigate to the Cards section and select Generate Single-Use Card. This feature, enhanced in 2025, lets you create a virtual card instantly for specific transactions. Now, for the fun part, using it. Copy the card details provided, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV, and paste them into the checkout page of your favorite online store. Afterpay will handle the payment split, usually over 4 interest-free installments. But remember, always check the merchant is Afterpay compatible to avoid any issues. After the purchase, keep an eye on your app for payment reminders and due dates. A few pro tips to make the most of this. Use it for bigger buys to spread out costs, but stay within your budget to avoid late fees. In 2025, Afterpay has added better fraud protection, so your single-use card auto expires after the transaction, keeping your info safe. If you run into problems, like a declined payment, contact Afterpay support directly through the app. They're super responsive. There you have it. By now, you should be ready to shop smarter with Afterpay's single-use card. Give it a try on your next online spree and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.